are deeply sad because of his this news.
We feel very bad. We think that he is our like father. That's why we feel very sad.
My heart hurt.
We miss him. We all miss him.
I feel very bad from heart and her sadness. I pray for him. We love him so much. I feel very alone without Dr. Naram.
Right before I left, do you see him now? Yeah. So right before he left, Krishna sent a video out to people all over the world, and he said, you know, now that my papa has died, he used to be helping here. Every month he would be giving money to feed. He created that building. He did so many things. But he said, now that my papa's gone, we want to make sure that all of you guys know that you're not alone. So he asked people all over the world to send a short little video just saying a certain message. So can I play some of those videos for you? Here's Giovanni. Remember Giovanni?
Namaste. I am Dr. Giovanni from Italy.
I am Sandhya from Japan.
We love you. We are with you.
We love you. We're with you.
I love you. I am with you.
We love you and we are 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 with you.
I love you and I'm with you.
We love you and we are with you.
I love you and I'm with you.
I love you and I'm with you.
We love you and we are with you.
I love you and I miss you and I am so with you.
We love you, we are with you.
I love you and I'm with you.
We love you and we're with you.
100%. Or as Dr. Naram would say, 1000%.
I love you and I am with you.
Lily and I love you. We're thinking of you. We are here for you.
We love you and we are with you.
Ciao from Italy.
From Italy.
And we love you and we are with you. Namaskar.
We love you and we're with you. Mwah.
We love you and we are with you.
I love you. I am with you.
Hello, I am Nila Naram. I love you all and I am with you all.
I love you. I am with you. All love you. All with you.
I love you. I'm with you.
Dear Nepal, we love you and we are with you.
Hello, I am Harshdev Naram and I love you all and I am with you all.
I am Aida from Barcelona and this is Zoe. And we want to say that we are with you and we love you.
I love you and I'm with you.
I love you and I am with you.
I love you and I am with you.
You and I'm with you.
I love you and I'm with you.
I love you and I'm with you.
I love you, I'm with you.
I love you. I'm with you. Kia tau te rangi Māori e, ake, ake, ake. Aroha nui, ka kite anō.
I love you and I am with you. God bless you.
I love you and I'm with you.
Hello. I love you and I am with you.
Namaste. We love you and we are with you.
I love you and I'm with you.
I love you and I'm with you.
We love you and we're with you from the United States.
I love you and I am always with you. Jai Swaminarayan.
I love you and I'm with you.
I love you and I'm with you.
We love you. We are with you.
I love you, I'm with you.
Love you, I am with you.
We love you, we're with you.
We love you and we are with you.
I love you and I am with you.
We love you and we're with you.
I love you and I am with you.
Kids, I love you. I am with you, kids. God bless you.
I love you. I am with you.
I love you and I am with you.
That I love you. मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ. And I am with you.
We love you, we are with you.
I love you. I am with you.
Listen, you are never alone. It's not possible to be alone. We are just one. So I love you and I am with you.
I love you and I'm with you.
I love you and I'm with you.
We love you and we are with you.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I am Tanvi Naram and I love you all and I am with you all.
Love you. I love you and I'm with you. And Dr. Naram is with you too. Never forget. God bless.
Now, because hearing your messages, we are very happy.
We saw your video and it's making me happy and more excited. Now we know we are not alone.
Because I know you love us.
We love you and we miss you.
Now, hearing your message, we feel hope and we feel love. Thank you.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
I'm with you.
I am with you.
I am with you.
I am with you.
Namaskar, namaskar.
We love you and we are with you.
My name is Krishna Pankaj Naram. I'm the son of Dr. Naram. And I want to congratulate you from my heart to your heart. A big, great news. Congratulations. You helped to transform the state of mind and state of emotions of orphan children in Nepal. So many of you, more than hundreds of videos were sent saying, I love you, I'm with you. Your videos, seeing your videos of I love you, I'm with you, made them so much higher, their spirits high, their state of mind happy, blissful, supported, not insecure, secure and safe. And then they started saying, we feel so good, we feel courageous, we feel happy, we feel joyful. Finally they said, we love you and we are with you. I was in tears. Dr. Clint was in tears. This is so powerful. You have the blessings of these innocent and loving orphan children. You have their dua, which means their wishes, protecting you forever. And for that, for this amazing contribution that you have made, we have an incredible gift that can heal anyone in their spirit, that can heal their emotions, heal their mind. This gift can really change anybody's life because this gift is from the lineage of Dr. Naram. This gift, Dr. Naram has trained us knowingly, unknowingly, in any situation. If this reaches to a person, it can save lives. We want to share this to you from our heart. And I really wish, Dr. Clint, can you please announce this gift?
Yeah.
How can we share it with anybody who is watching?
Yeah, I want to say thank you, Krishna, so much. And thank you. You not only touched our hearts, but you changed the lives of these orphan kids. You actually created a miracle of love. And today is a very auspicious day, and to plant the seed of that miracle of love and let it expand in your hearts, your community, our hearts, we have this very special gift for you. And even when I got the videos, I was in a moment where I was feeling lost and alone, so many times feeling sad, but just watching these videos expanded my heart so much to know I love you and I'm with you. You are part of our family, part of our heart family. And as such, Krishna and I wanted to give this special gift to you on behalf of Dr. Naram and the lineage that literally can change your life forever. So to receive this gift, just send your WhatsApp number and your email address to the email address on the screen right now. For those that sent videos, or those that sending your love right now to these orphan kids, for those who are part of our heart family, contact us right now so we can give you this gift and say thank you and we love you. And finally, we just want to say one more thing. We love you and we are with you.
Thank you! We love you! Yay!
Thank you all for loving these wonderful orphan children and their cause. I learned a big lesson from my master, from Mother Teresa, and ancient healing secrets. Loving is the biggest healer, and I believe your healing starts now. I love you all.